spared no effort in campaigning across the length and breadth of our great nation. Section 147, subsection 1, 2, and 3 are with you in actualizing your renewed hope. They are here before you this morning, will take their oaths in 9 batches of 5 origin, with one notable exception, and Minister of Justice will lead the first batch to be sworn in as members of the Federal Nation is read. Senior Advocate of the Federation and Minister of Justice. You may be seated. From Abia State, Honorable Federal Constituency of Abia State in the 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th Assemblies. She was most recently the Deputy Chief Whip of the 9th Assembly. The former Transitional Local Government Chairman and Abia State Commissioner for Resource Management and Manpower Development holds a PhD in Political Science from the University of Nigeria in Nsukka. She's a lawyer with 2 master's degrees in Transport Management from Ladoke Akintola University in Oyo State and International Affairs and Diplomacy from Imo State University. This recipient of the National He also served with an extensive background in law, will serve as humanitarian, who was born on the barrister is known for establishing the Kenuj as the Minister of Women Affairs. In 2005, Professor Maman was appointed Deputy Director General of the Kano campus of the Nigerian Law School and later became the school's Director General. He was in the employment of the University of Maiduguri in different capacities between 1985 and 2001. The Senior Advocate of Nigeria is also a recipient of the National Honor OON. As a former Vice Chancellor of Bayes University in Abuja and a former member representing the Northeast on the board of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, of His Excellency Mr. President in a photograph.
I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and with sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will exercise the authority vested in me as a minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and so as not to endanger the continuance of the Federal Republic. In all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people, revealed to any person, any matter, we shall be brought under my consideration.
Yellow.
Yes, sir. Dr. Mohammed Ali Patel, a distinguished diseases at the University of Rochester in New York. He holds an American board certification in both. In March 1967, he was elected as a member of the House of Representatives from 2007 to 2011, representing Gamawa Federal Constituency in Bauchi State. He studied at the United States International University in Missouri. Was born on the 3rd of March 1967. He obtained a law degree in 1994 from the River State University of Science and Technology in Port Harcourt. He is an expert. Since 2006, he served recently as the Commissioner for Water Resources and Environment in Benue State between 15th of January 1963 and served as the immediate past acting national chairman of the largest political party in Africa, the Governing All Progressives Congress. He was the senator representing Borno North Senatorial District at the 8th and 9th National Assembly from 2015 until his resignation in April 2022. He attended the University of Tennessee Martin campus in the United States, where he obtained a bachelor's degree in business administration with a focus on economics in 1986. Thereafter, in 1989, he attended the Webster University in St. Louis, Missouri, for his master's in business administration with a focus on finance. At various times, he was the Commissioner for Urban.
And defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, that I will not directly or indirectly or impede or delude any person, any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Was born on the 27th day of October, 1986. This young medical doctor served as the Commissioner of Health in Cross River State and most recently served as the National Women Leader of the governing All Progressives Congress. She previously served as the National Chairman of the Nigeria Health Commissioners Forum, trained at the University, is Minister-designate Senator John Owaneno, who was born on the 4th day of June in 1966, and has represented the Central Senatorial District of Cross River State in the 8th Assembly. He holds a Master of Science degree in demography, as well as a Bachelor of well-known. Barrister Festus Keyamo, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, was born on the 21st day of January in 1970. He hails from Ughelli, Delta State. He obtained a Bachelor of Law degree from Ambrose Ali University in Ekpoma in 1992, and recipient of the National Award of the Commander of the Order of the Niger, Ebonyi State. His Excellency Senator David Umahi was born on the 25th day of July in 1963 from Ohaozara local government area of Ebonyi State. He was the governor of the state from 2015 to 2023, having previously served as the deputy governor of the state from 2011 to 2015. Engineer Abubakar Momo was born on the 27th day of November in 1959. He was a two-time member of the House of Representatives, representing Etsako Federal Constituency from 2003 to 2007, and then once again from 2011 to 2015. The University of Benin trained chemical engineer holds 2 master's degrees in public administration and engineering. He has worked as a classroom teacher and trainee engineer to take their oaths of office, following which they shall share a photograph with His Excellency, Mr. President, looking into the camera. Thank you. Honorable Oladele Henry Alake was born on the 6th day of October, 1956, and holds a Bachelor of Science degree in Political Science and a Master's of Mass Communication from the University of Lagos. A seasoned media and political strategist of over 4 decades, in 1963 in Nkanu West local government of Enugu State. Chief Nnaji holds a bachelor's degree in biochemistry and microbiology from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. A very successful private sector player, He is also the Chief Executive Officer and founder of Signal Nigeria Limited, with commercial interests spanning construction and marine services. He is also a director of companies with interests in hydropower generation, crude oil pollution control, medical equipment, rice processing, as well as manufacturing. Chief Naji is a member of the Nigeria Association of Commerce Industry. Senator Saidu Ahmed Alkali was born on the 12th day of February 1969 in Duku, Borno State. He obtained a Bachelor of Science degree, Dr. in banking, finance, human resource management, information and communications technology, treasury management, and public administration. She graduated with a bachelor's degree in medicine and a bachelor's degree in surgery from the University of Benin. In her role as was born on the 29th day of September 1962 and served as the executive governor of Jigawa State from 2015 to 2023. He is a graduate of accounting from the Ahmadu Bello University. At this juncture, I respectfully call upon the ministers designate whose citations have been read to step forward to take their
I know. That's what I'm saying. Salary is for capital 5. I understand. So far, any other thing what just happened with the involvement of some people said everything is okay.
We come to develop a career in politics where he was thrice elected chairman. She studied medicine and surgery at Bayero University in Kano and later advanced her education in architecture from Ahmadu Bello University in Zaria. He also holds a master's in business administration. Was born on the first day of November in 1974. She possesses a was born on the 26th day of December 1961. Distinguished Senator Bagudu was the executive governor of Kebbi State from 2015 . Dr. Sununu holds a degree in Shuaib Audu Abubakar was born on the 6th day of November 1980. He holds a bachelor's degree in business economics, a United States board certified nephrologist. He would go on to establish the Kidney Care Center and Dialysis Care Center in the United States. He served, having schooled at the University of Ibadan, followed by her national service in Warri. Her extensive career traversed the oil and gas and financial psychology from the University of Abuja.
Yeah, of course. I'll look.
As the spokesperson of the 8th Senate. He was re-elected to the same position in the 9th Senate. Niger State. He holds a bachelor's degree in English and a master's degree in English from Bayelsa. Was born on the 9th day of August in 1967. He holds an MBBS degree from the University of Lagos and a master's in public health from the Lagos. Born on the 20th day of April in 1956, Mr. Wale Edun has most recently served as the Special Advisor to His Excellency Mr. President on Monetary Policy. With extensive experience, Minister and is an accomplished technology and innovation entrepreneur. A master's degree in information systems and management and entrepreneurship across Europe. He co-founded Co-Creation Hub Nigeria in 2010 as Nigeria's first technology hub. President. Representative of Akoko Northeast, Akoko Northwest Federal Constituency of Ondo State. During his time in the House, he served as the chairman of the Committee on Niger Delta Development. He holds a bachelor's degree in electronics and communication engineering from London Metropolitan University, along with several other professional certifications. He will serve as the Minister of Interior. His Excellency Adeboyega Oyetola was born on the 29th day of September 1954 in Iragbiji, Osun State. Adelabu. The distinguished recipient of the national honor, the Officer of the Order of the Federal Republic, OFR, is an accomplished banker and financial consultant. Right Honorable Simon Bako Lalong. His Excellency Simon Lalong served as the immediate past Executive Governor of Plateau State and was born on the 5th day of May in 1963 in Shendam local government area of the state. A graduate of the Ahmadu Bello University in Zaria, Dr. Lalong holds a bachelor's degree in law, 1990, and a master's in law from the University of Jos. In 1999, Minister Designate from the Great River State. His Excellency Barrister Chief Nyesom Ezenwo Wike, aside receiving the loudest applause so far today, was born on the 13th day of December 1967 and is a life bencher on the body of benchers, serving most recently as the two-term executive governor of Rivers State from 2015 to 2023. He was educated at the Rivers State University of Science and Technology and the University of Port Harcourt, where he obtained his Bachelor of Laws degree and Bachelor of Science, Political and Administrative Studies, respectively. He would go on to be elected as the Executive Chairman of Obiakpo Local Government Area of Rivers State from 1999 to 2007, where he would eventually be elected as the Chairman of Algon. He would go on to serve as the Chief of Staff in the Rivers State Government House, Port Harcourt, between 2007 and 2011. He would then serve the nation as Minister of State for Education and eventually Acting Minister of Education during the administration of former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. His Excellency Governor Nyesom Wike has received numerous awards and recognitions for his outstanding achievements as the Executive Governor of Rivers State. He is a recipient of the National Award of the Commander of the Order of the Niger, CON, and he will serve as the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory.
Always in the interest of integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will exercise the authority vested in me as the Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so as not to give or compromise the authority of the President and I chief of the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So as not to endanger the continuance of the Federal Government of Nigeria, as I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official or my official decisions, but I will do with the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That in all circumstances, I will do right for all manner of people according to law, that I will not directly or indirectly humiliate or reveal any person, any matter which shall be brought under my consideration, or shall become known to me as the Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, except as may be required to do discharge of my duties as a Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
obtained a bachelor's degree in accountancy from Ahmadu University. He rose from an early start as an accountant in the defunct Directorate of Foods, Roads, and Rural Infrastructure to become the Senior Director in the Yobe State Ministry of Health. Before his eventual election as Deputy Governor and then Executive Governor of Yobe State, he also served as a Dr. Bello Mohammed Matawale was born on the 12th day of February 1962 in Maradun local government area of Zamfara State. He is the immediate parent of April in 1970, after which he would go on to obtain a degree in education from the University of Jos. Ministers designate to step forward to
I, Bello Muhammad Goranyo, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful minister. I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully, verity, well-being, and prosperity of the federal.
I'm not done. I'm not done. But duly sworn in members of the Federal Executive Council to pick up their appointment letters. Without His Excellency President remarks to the new council.
The light won't come on. The national chairman of our Progressive Party, our party, Dr. Ganduje, Chairman Governors Forum, other governors here present, Secretary to the Federal Government, Chief of Staff, honorable ministers, and the traditional rulers, service chiefs, senior government officials, members of our extended families, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to all of you for being here today. In line with the constitutional obligations, the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has screened and confirmed 45 ministers
who will superintend over the Ministry of Federal Government in this administration of renewed hope. The men and women who have been sworn in have been carefully selected by me for their track record of excellence and achievement in public and private sector. They reflected the diversity of Nigeria and bring to their new roles an assortment of experience and expertise to help guide the nation's affairs and also continue to rebuild the nation and re-engineer all our finances and defects. Building blocks of Nigeria today and the future. Fellow Nigerians, the challenges we face today are very daunting. Yes, they are. Yet, amidst these evident challenges, we have the opportunity to implement long overdue reforms that will improve the operations of government, transform our nation's economy, and ensure peace, safety, and prosperity for our people. These are the objectives that underpin the renewed hope agenda. And these are the objectives that have inspired the selection of a lot of these distinguished ladies and gentlemen who are ministers by now. Minister of Federal Republic you are, not minister of a region or minister of a particular state. Since my inauguration on May 29, I have taken steps to begin implementing the agenda upon which I campaigned and for which I received the mandate of Nigerian people. With the inauguration of ministers today, we are about to accelerate our governing efforts move forward, realizing our best aspiration for Nigeria. It's all about a great team, and I believe we have them here. It is high honor to be chosen to serve as a minister in the Federal Executive Council of our beloved Republic. With such high honor comes tremendous responsibility. In this moment of abundant promise and peril in equal measure, all of you who have been sworn in have been called to distinguish yourself. It is me who know you. And delegates this authority. But the greatest number of Nigerians are highly expectant of delivery and accountability and transparency. Nigeria expects that you will serve with integrity, dignity,
and deliver. I will hold you to that standard. We all promise Nigerians. Your assignment began immediately. As your country honors you today, by this call to service, you must each work to make yourselves worthy in the eyes of God and all our nation's people. Your highest obligation is to restore public faith in government so that our people can once again believe that the right hands the government can show and believe in you, that the government can be a positive force for transformation and a vehicle for collective progress of this country. I congratulate you and welcome you to the administration of renewed hope. I wish you success in this new assignment. We are in this boat. If it is a vehicle, and I am the driver, the entire Nigerians are behind, sitting and watching as you and I navigate this vehicle. We must hold each other responsible. We have to do the job to meet the expectation of all Nigerians. As I said earlier on, you are not a minister of a particular state, colony, region, or ethnic nationality. You are a minister of Federal Republic of Nigeria. God be with you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.